I'm Ankit Bansal, and welcome back to the channel. This is agent number 4, an ads and creative agent in Node.js. One product in, and it writes ready to run ads for Facebook, Google, and TikTok, running on a local model with no API keys. Here's how it works. The browser sends the product to an express agent. It loads two tools, your brand voice and the target audience. Then one local LLM call writes ad copy for every platform, each in its own format, as clean JSON. Here's the ads agent. Give it a product and an offer. It loads your brand voice and audience, then writes ads for every platform at once. Facebook and Instagram, Google Search, and TikTok, each in the right format. Copy your team can ship today. So that's a real ads and creative agent. Platform formatted copy for Facebook, Google, and TikTok, brand and audience aware, fully local, no API keys. The code is in the description. If you found this helpful, please hit like and subscribe to my channel. And stay tuned, because in the next video we'll build the next agent on the list. See you there.